thanks for tuning in. Today I want to share a quick collective haul. These are some items that I've picked up. I am dubbing this the I'm ready for summer haul. As much as I try not to buy too seasonally, because I want to be able to rewear a lot of the things that are already in my closet, every time the season changes like in a major way, so you go from like cold weather to warmer weather, or you go from warmer weather to cold weather, those are usually points in time where I'm like really itching to get a few new pieces for my wardrobe. And I've managed to get some items on like mega sale, which is always exciting. And also I actually picked up a couple things from Zara. I haven't shopped from Zara in a long time. I might even go as far as saying this might be the first time I bought from Zara this whole year so far. But I'm excited about those pieces. I'm gonna try everything on so you can see what it looks like as well, and we'll see if we actually end up keeping these pieces or not. Also, stay tuned to the end because there is a giveaway in this video that I'm super excited about. All right, but let's get started. I know I said it's a collective haul. There aren't like a massive amount of things here, but there are like one or two pieces from different brands, so I just wanted to combine them all together. The first item I've already worn. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen it as well, but it is this Lamban sweatshirt. This is the sweatshirt they did in collaboration with the gallery department. It has like paint splatters all over it. And on the back, it says, I think the Department of Gallery? Oh yeah, Gallery Department, property of Gallery Department. So, and it's like a distressed looking sweatshirt, patch detail here. But yes, this is the newest kind of hoodie in the collection. I believe this is like pretty much sold out in the States. My boyfriend managed to find this on an Italian website, so I'll put it here because I don't actually know which one it was. It was the first time he purchased anything from there, but it came pretty promptly, no issues with customs or anything like that, and he was really stoked to actually be able to find it there. I love this sweatshirt. I've worn it a ton. It's actually perfect for the weather right now. It's like a light sweatshirt material. It doesn't have like the fuzzies on the other side, if that makes sense. So it's a much more lightweight sweatshirt. I feel like it's going to be perfect for, you know, if you're going to the beach in the summertime, but you know how at night it can get really breezy and kind of chilly. I think it's the perfect weight for that. It's been perfect for recently because after a massive heat like spell one weekend, the weather actually loosened up a lot and it's really pleasant right now. And some days are a little chilly still. So I've been loving to wear this out for that. It's just really comfortable. The one thing I wish it has, I wish it had a kangaroo pocket in the front, because you know how like sweatshirts, I don't know, I like pockets in general, so I wish this had pockets as well. It doesn't. So I have to rely on the non-existent pants pockets that I have, or like put everything in my purse. So that's the only thing that I wish this had. But otherwise, I absolutely love it. I love the kind of wash detailing and all of that that went into making this sweatshirt. So the next couple of items I want to share are actually from Ann Taylor, which I know what you're thinking. You're probably thinking, you know, that might be an odd brand for me to mention. You're right, like I haven't looked at Ann Taylor in a long time. And historically, when I had looked at Ann Taylor, it was more to buy like work clothes, not so much like casual clothes. But they were having a really massive sale. It was an Instagram ad, you guys. These Instagram ads, they get you every time. But there were these comfy pants that was like on the ad, and I was like, oh, actually, I think I would like those, because if you watched my Chanel haul video for Spring Summer 21, you know that I'm trying to build out a better kind of staple of bottoms, because my bottoms department, like clothing wise, is like not the most well stocked. Plus, when it comes to summertime, because it's so hot, I tend to wear dresses, but sometimes you want pants. but then you want like comfy pants. Like I can't remember the last time I wore like tight fitting jeans, you know what I mean? And I'm not about to jump into tight fitting jeans in the dead of summer. Like it's just not gonna happen. So I needed some like summery comfortable pants, and Ann Taylor sucked me in. Okay, so I have 2 pants to share, and they're super duper cute. The first pair are these right here, and these are just pleated. They're sort of like palazzo pants. They are pleated and in this beautiful like lilac lavender color, and I won't lie, it was the color that really sucked me in at first. And they also sort of look like issey-miyake pants if you're familiar with issey-miyake clothing, but they're just a wide leg all the way down to the bottom. And I actually ordered online and the size was wrong, so I actually had to reorder. And when I reordered, I actually got the petite length, because even though I'm 5'6", unless I wanted to kind of tailor or alter the bottoms, I would fit better in the petite length. So just something to keep in mind. Read the inseam descriptions online and you can make, you know, a better choice for yourself. But for me, based on those measurements, it looked like the petite would actually fit better. So that's how I ended up with the petite length for these. They also have them in a dark navy color that I originally got, but I decided that I wanted to keep the lavender because it's more summery. It's like really different for me, so I figured I already have like a yellow pair that I got from Embroidered Stories like many years ago, so I figured a lavender color would be nice to like add some color to my summer wardrobe. And the second pair of pants I got are these right here. So these are like a bandana paisley print. I think they called it like a sarong pant because technically these tie in the front. But it's also like those wide leg, just really flowy pants that are super comfortable because they're like all stretchy. But they look a little more, you know, jazzed up than like sweatpants, you know what I mean? So these pants were really, really cute online. And so I was really excited that I was able to get these on sale. I will link these specific styles in the description box down below in case you're curious. For the price, they are really comfortable, really lightweight, and I feel like I'm going to get a lot of wear out of them during the summertime. Oh, I also got this pair in the petite length because, you know, my legs weren't long enough for the regulars. Hi guys, it is actually evening now, and I realized that the footage for the Zara portion was corrupted. It just is a no-go. So I wanted to at least quickly be able to share what the items look like and do a little voiceover here, or like talk through it here. So this is not my normal setup, but I hope you guys are okay with that. There are only 2 Zara items to share anyway. The first one is this dress. This is an embroidered dress. I'll get up close so you can hopefully see all of the embroidery. I'll go into, you can see here too. So you see it has the eyelet details and it has these florals. So the eyelet details continue down the side and there is no lining. So just beware. But it is super, super cute. Like this whole fabric is all pretty much embroidered. So with all of that considered, I think it's pretty well made. But it is a like single, like unlined dress that you can wear, I think, as like a cover up, and on the website the model is sort of wearing it that way, like, so the buttons were totally undone and was wearing it sort of like a cardigan or a cover up, that kind of thing. So I think this is really cute. Like the balloon sleeves, I think you guys already know that I really like balloon sleeves, and it is pretty much a ankle length, so that would be like a maxi length, right? I don't know why I did that with my feet, but so yeah, you know, it sort of looks like homeware. I get that kind of vibe too, but I feel like it will be really, really comfortable for the summertime. So that's why I'm excited about this dress. So this is the second dress that I got. I just got 2 summer dresses from Zara, and I got this because I liked the kind of overall shape and I thought I liked the pattern when I saw it on the website. And in person, I do like the cut. Like, it's really comfortable. It's a really, really comfortable dress. There's a little bit of like shirring right here, but I feel like it doesn't fit me right. Like, I feel like it doesn't fit my chest area. But I liked the little details on the sleeves, and then it kind of goes to like a midi length, if you guys can see there. So yeah, I might have to like look back on what the footage looks like to see if it kind of photographs better than I see it in real life. Or sometimes it's one of those where you have to like try it on a different day, like in a different mood, and it looks different, it looks better. So it might be one of those. I mean, it's like really comfortable. So it would be like really great for the summertime when it's really hot. Like, this would be like, I barely feel like I'm wearing anything, to be honest. But I'm not sure I'm 100% in love with how it fits. So I don't know. And I'm also not sure about this print. I don't know. You guys let me know. You can let me know what you think about this print too. Like, is it too like grandma's curtains, you know? Or is it okay? Like, maybe it's okay as just like a quick, like a light summer dress to wear, I don't know, around the house, like running quick errands maybe? I don't know, but I'm not like getting that same feeling like I did for that first dress. So let me know if I should keep this or if I should just return it. All right, guys, it is giveaway time. I'm super excited to be able to share this with you guys. But first and foremost, I want to thank you all, every 3,000 plus of you who have subscribed to my channel and joined this community. I started my YouTube channel like 3 years ago or something like that, and I only dreamed of having this many subscribers. I cannot believe that I do have that many subscribers. I really appreciate every one of you. I love all the questions that are asked, all the information that's shared, all the experiences that are shared. It's just a lot of fun. I look forward to filming videos and uploading them so that I can continue to have this kind of open dialogue and share information with you guys. So I really, really appreciate that all of you are here. So I really wanted to do this giveaway as a huge thank you to you all. And the giveaway item is actually going to be in here. Took a little time to like track one down. The giveaway item is this Louis Vuitton luggage tag. And I purposefully did not hot stamp it or anything like that because I felt like it would be better if whoever got it could choose how they wanted to hot stamp this piece. But this is a fully authentic, a genuine Louis Vuitton luggage tag. Like, 2020 was a really rough year. We are, as a world, collectively coming out of this pandemic. I'm sure there's a lot of interest and desire to resume travel. So I feel like this luggage tag helps promote some of that, but also embodies like a lot of that hope, optimism, and kind of adventure that awaits. So I thought a luggage tag would be perfect for that. It's also a pretty unique one because this is in that blue color that came out specifically for the LV Clouds collection. Some of you may know that I have the LV Clouds Keep All. So this is the luggage tag that matches that, and that's why you see it in this bright blue color. I also believe you can no longer just purchase luggage tags, and in fact you would need to have a luggage piece to be able to get a luggage tag. So I felt like this would be a great opportunity to be able to share one with one of you guys. All you have to do to enter is like this video, of course subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment down below with what you would like me to start doing, stop doing, and continue doing. So any and all video recommendations or ideas are welcome. Any other feedback or suggestions are also welcomed as well. So it's pretty simple, just subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below with your feedback. The giveaway will be open for about 30 days. I will put the specific end date in the description box down below. And I'll share the winners of the giveaway in a subsequent video where I will announce them there. So good luck to you all. Thank you so much. And I hope to do more giveaways in the future as I hit different milestones. So definitely stick around for more giveaways in the future. But good luck, guys. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down below or head on over to Instagram and I'd be happy to help however I can. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate all of your feedback and support. If you like this kind of content and you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I post new fashion-related videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So until next time, bye!